All I can say is that I'm sorry.
Taking time off from the acting, I gotta relax, I need a new beat. Yo, Stro, I got a few trees. You been up in the city long? Only 2 weeks. Cool. Well, sorry about the weather. It's been raining all week, I hope it gets a little better. Either way, class, listen, I got an ill vision by the song I'm working on. You think you got the right rhythm? Man, come on. You better, man, come on. You better, man, come on. You better, man, come on. You better.
She's staring at me, I'm sitting wondering what she's thinking. Nobody's talking, this talking just turns into screaming. And now it's I'm yelling over her, she yelling over me. All that it means, and neither of us is listening. Baby, to me, take it back. You're always on my mind. Oh, it's plain to see. I ain't got no chance, cause you making plans with another man, and you ain't thinking about me no more.
4, 3, 2, 1, game over.
I'm talking back here on my toes, toes, trying on all our clothes, clothes. What's blowing up the bones, bones? Dropped up and playing our favorite CDs, pulling up to the parties, trying to get a little bit tipsy. They look like Mick Jagger. I'm talking about everybody getting drunk. Boys try to touch my junk. Gotta stop them if you're getting too drunk. Nah, we got till they kick us out. The police shut us down. And the party don't start till I walk in. Feel it coming in the air. And the screams from everywhere. I'm addicted to the club. It's a dangerous love affair. Can't be scared when it goes down. Got a problem, tell me now. Only thing that's on my mind is to go run this town tonight. To go run this town tonight.
We are, yeah, I say that we are. This is Rock Nation. Pledge your allegiance. Get your petite on. All black everything. Black cars, all black everything. And our girls are blackbirds. Running with their diligence. I can't hold in depth if you boys really written up. This is not familiar. I'll explain later. But for now, let me get back to this paper. I'm a couple bands down and I'm trying to get back. I gave them the grip. I lost a flip of 5 stacks. Yeah, I'm talking 5 commas, 6 zeros, 7 zeros. Hit up. Have to run the circus well, niggas never squared up. Hold up.
Groove slam, work it back, filter that, baby bump that track. Groove slam, work it back, filter that, baby bump that track. Groove slam, work it back, Space Cowboy, just play that track. God, in the room, some starstruck, cherry, 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 cherry.
Going out to the club on the weekends.
baby bump that track.
We are now living in revelation.